Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings. So if you're interested in any of that, then consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red button down below. Also turn on the bell to be notified each time I post something new. So in today's video, I'd like to talk about Samorga organizers, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard of them before. That's why you probably clicked on this video. But today I wanted to talk about my personal experience shopping at Samorga, the costs, everything. I want to cover everything. I also want to talk about how I feel about organizers, if they're worth buying, do you need them, should you spend that much money on them, and everything. I want to cover everything. This video is not sponsored at all. They don't know I'm filming this video. I am doing it because I was just so curious. Everybody raves about Samorga organizers. Everybody loves them, and I was never a big fan of organizers in general. If you've been here for a while, you definitely know that I have nothing against organizers, but at the same time I feel like they take up some extra space you could use in your handbag. So I don't feel skeptical. I know this, I need these organizers for sure in my life, but I still wanted to make this video for fun. Why not? I received this package a couple of days ago from Samorga. I am so excited to open it, to go through it with you guys. Before we begin, how do you find my new t-shirt? Oh my god, I think I am obsessed. This pink color and this vest looking print is everything. This t-shirt is from a brand NG Baby. It is a new brand from UK and they make amazing t-shirt, fashion inspired t-shirt. So I believe every fashionista needs one, because come on, we are in the luxe community and everything that has a cute Lady Dior bag or a multi-pochette accessoire on a t-shirt, we need it. You know, it's amazing. Also the quality is really nice. I've already washed this t-shirt. I ironed it. Nothing happened to it. Nothing happened to the print over here, if you're worried about that. These t-shirts are very inexpensive, but I still asked for a little discount for you guys to show how much I appreciate you. So you can get 5% off your order using code BonjourAika. It's that simple. Make sure to check them out. Everything will be linked in the description box. Back to the organizers. Here they are. Let's open and see. I love this vibrant colors already, and they feel legit. I mean, they feel quite nice. This honestly feels like a Russian matryoshka. It's like the Russian doll, you know, that has tiny little dolls inside. That's what I have in the organizer. So it's first organizer in here, then the second one, and then I've got another one, another two inside actually. So let's start with the first one. So the first one is for my mom's on-the-go bag, the Louis Vuitton on-the-go. She has the GM size, which is so big. She actually has two of the same bag. I know, it's crazy, but she asked me to get her one organizer so she can switch it from one bag to another, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty awesome. This is in color mango, I believe, and it's such a beautiful color. So it has one huge pocket over here to put like your bottle inside or something like that. Then there are two pockets in here and two pockets on the other side, and there is nothing on this side. I definitely won't be able to show you how it looks inside because I don't have my mom's bag in here, but I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure actually, but maybe once I see her during summer, if she takes her on-the-go tote with her, I'll be able to show you how it looks inside. But for now, this is what it looks like. And let's move on to the next one. The next one is in this beautiful electric blue, like royal blue color. And this is actually for my small Dior book tote. It is so cute, and I love that it has a zipper on top. This is something that sold me on the organizer, the fact that it has a zipper on top, but if you don't like it, you can definitely remove it. It's very easy. You can completely remove it if you wish to, and I also really like that option. So then we open it again, and we've got another two cute organizers in here. So Here they are. Can you guess which handbag I'm gonna use them for? So these two will go inside my trendy CC handbag. The color didn't match, unfortunately. I didn't pick the right color. I mean, it looked exactly the same on the picture, but apparently it wasn't. I'm so sad, but I think, well, it's all right, you know. You'll see how it looks inside. So you get two organizers in one, and then we've got another little organizer, which is this one in here, and this is for my niece BB. I really wanted an organizer for my niece BB because it's impossible to use it otherwise. I mean, I did use it before, but everything was just all over the place, and I feel like with an organizer it will look more organized and more eye-pleasing for taking pictures and stuff. Like, you know, it's a necessity, you guys. And it has a lot of pockets inside. I specifically asked for the one with multiple compartments inside. If you don't want them, you can not buy them, I guess. But also this whole middle part is removable, so you can remove it if you don't want to use it. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty similar to the on-the-go organizer. So one, we have this bottle holder in here, then two pockets in here and two on the other side, so one here and the other one in there. What else? Oh, we have also another tiny little compartment for like a pen or lipstick. And also I think Samorga was celebrating something. I think it was the 10-year anniversary. I'm not sure, but for every shipment, I think they were giving out this two cute... Why is my hair all over it? I mean, I took a look at it once before and now all my hair is all over. But anyway, they were giving out this two lipstick pouches, I think they are. I'm pretty sure this one is for the lipsticks, and then maybe this one is for the lip glosses because they're taller. I'm not sure, but I love this color. This purple color is everything. It is so beautiful. It's like purple with some blue undertones. And this is the black one. Is it black? Yeah, I think it is black. But anyway, I think they're gonna be so handy. But that's just so cool. I got them for free. Yay! I love freebies. Should I move the camera, or should we just stay in one place and I can show you from here? I think that's easier, right? Let's grab my book tote first. So here's my book tote. It is should be completely empty. Yes, it is pretty much empty. At the bottom, I actually have something I used as a shape holder. I'm not sure if I need it, but I'll just keep it inside, you know, just in case. So where's the organizer? By the way, I'm gonna be doing separate videos on each of these handbags later on with the organizers, how I find them, what they fit inside. So I'll be showing you everything what I put in each compartment, how I use the organizers, if they actually help with keeping the shape of the handbag, and just in general I want to film the review videos, so stay tuned for those as well. They will be coming very soon on my channel. For now, it's just a very general video of me going through organizers, checking them out, I guess. So I'm gonna put the first one and I'll tell you everything about my experience shopping at Samorga. So it was pretty easy. I chose the organizers that I wanted to get. I also used my friend's Lou's coupon code for 20% off, and I am so glad she had a discount code because the shipping was so expensive. So the fees were $45, which is so crazy, but they ship with FedEx. And during Corona, that's what my friend told me, that during Corona they had to come up with a special agreement with FedEx, and that's why it's a little bit more expensive than it used to be. But I found it very expensive, and I feel like if you want to order from Samorga, it's better to buy multiple organizers like I did. So I bought 4 in total because this way you'll save more money on delivery. It was quite expensive, but everything was delivered pretty fast. I think the organizers arrived within 10 days after I placed my order, so I thought that was pretty quick, and it was so easy shopping with them. You can pay using PayPal, whatever you want. It's very easy. I'm in general very pleased with the packaging and everything. I think it's very beautiful, and at that I received some freebies. I was so excited. So this is the first organizer inside my handbag. I didn't think this organizer was this bright, but it is so bright compared to my handbag, but I think it's fine, right? I mean, I could definitely get something darker or even black, but I'm actually pretty happy with the bright, like very vibrant blue color. I think it pops nicely, and I'm glad I got the one with the zipper on top. Now I can be relaxed, you know, carrying this bag with all of my belongings inside, and I think it will help me with keeping the shape of the bag and everything, and just for the organization purposes. I think it's so much better to have an organizer in such a giant bag that doesn't have a single pocket inside. This way I'll be able to store my phone, my card holder, everything separately in different compartments. You know, it's just a lot easier and neater. Do you say neater or more neat? Organized? Let's say organized. More organized. I love it. It's so cool. Really nice. Let's move on to the next one. The next one, I have this Chanel Trendy CC, and as you can see, like I told you, the color isn't exactly the same. I mean, this was called mint, so I should have expected green, but on the picture the shade looked slightly different, but oh well, it's fine. So we have two compartments in here, little instructions, and now let's open the bag and see. For now I just keep the original papers this bag came with in the box. To keep the shape in general, this bag is a softie, so it wrinkles and creases pretty easily, and I think with an organizer it will be so much better. Okay, and now, ladies and gentlemen, we have my organizers, my inserts inside the handbag. I love it. Oh, this is so much better now. Okay, the reason I wanted an organizer for Trendy CC is because it is a full leather handbag, so everything on the inside is leather, and I really didn't want to scratch it on the inside. I didn't want to mark it with anything like a pen or something, and that's why I wanted to get an organizer for this handbag. Now it is fully protected, and another reason I wanted to get this organizer is again to keep the shape of the handbag. I forgot if I mentioned that already or not, but yes, it creases quite a bit, and I think it already creased on this side a little bit, if you can see. I'm not sure, but there are a few creases over here on the bag. I'm just hoping that this organizer will help with creases. We'll see, but I will also put the paper inside. Will it fit now? Yes, it fits. This is how I'm gonna store my handbag now. Perfect! And now we have the last organizer I wanted to share with you, and it is for my niece Pipi. Finally I'll be able to use it on a daily basis, because I'll show you why. So can you see it is completely empty on the inside? There are two pockets over here, but they're quite tiny. I'm not sure you can fit anything inside. And then there is another pocket over here, which is a larger one, but still you can't really put a lot of things inside. And I already have some marks from my brushes or something over here. Can you see? Not sure. I'll have to wipe it up, but for the purposes of this video, let's just put the insert inside and see how it will look. I got it in this, I forgot the name of the color. I think it was something like cream. I'm not sure, but let's put it inside together. I'm so excited. This is actually the first time I'm putting the organizers inside my handbags. Ta-da! Oh wow, it fits perfectly inside. It's so cool. I need to get used to having organizers in my bags and in my toiletries. This is something very new to me, so I'll have to get used to seeing this inside of my toiletry and inside my handbags, but I quite like it. Yeah, it has a lot of pockets. I'll be able to fit a lot of different things inside. I'm just so excited to start using it. And again, like I mentioned before, I'm gonna be doing separate videos on my Knees BB, on the book tote, and on the trendy CC. Okay, look at this. This is so cute. Like, I can keep them inside. But first of all, I want to say that I don't think you need an organizer for every single handbag in your collection. I mean, if you have like a Chanel mini bag, like a mini square bag, for example, I don't think you need to buy an organizer unless you don't want to scratch it inside, because again, it's a full leather handbag. But it is so tiny, and why would you take up some extra space that you have in your bag on an organizer? Why would you waste that precious space, you know? But if you have a larger bag, if you have a larger tote, like a book tote, like a Neverfull, like an on-the-go bag, if you have something like Knees BB, if you have a trendy that creases so much, or other similar bags that don't have enough pockets inside, or generally don't keep the shape, then I think it's a good investment actually, and the prices are quite good. I think the Knees BB organizer was about $40, maybe a little bit less than for the trendy. It was about the same price. The most expensive ones were definitely for the on-the-go, because of its size. It is quite large, and for the book tote, especially because I picked the version with the zipper on top, these were a little bit more expensive. I think I paid around $80 for each, something like that. I can't remember, but I think it was 78 or something. They are a little bit pricey, but at the same time, I mean, come on, you buy such expensive handbags and it's not that much compared to the price of a handbag. I'm still getting used to the idea that I now have organizers to use. I'm very excited. I'm excited to test them out. I was always afraid of sacrificing any extra space inside my handbags on the organizers, and I just want to see if they make any difference. And I will think if I want to add more organizers. I was gonna get an organizer for my watch chapeau, and my mom said it's the most stupid idea ever because I don't use that bag that much, but I will still think about it, and I'll think about other handbags that might need an organizer. I'm getting very obsessed. I wish this video was sponsored, but unfortunately it isn't. Anyway guys, that's it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you use organizers inside your handbags, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!